The Aqualish species were made famous by Ponda Baba in the cantina scene of A New Hope. Since then, they've become a prevalent alien throughout Star Wars, so today I'll be talking about their biology, society, and history. Like I always do, I'll be using Legends material to fill in some of the gaps, but I'll try to keep it to things I think are likely still true in canon. The Aqualish people were sentient humanoids easily identified by their tusks and large black eyes. There was variation throughout their species in their skin color and number of eyes. Most seemed to have a natural brown or black color to their skin, but green-skinned Aqualish with more human-looking eyes have also been seen. They had either 2 or 4 eyes, and the color of their eyes could be different as well, as we've seen red. They also had different types of hands. For example, Ponda Baba had 5 fingers, and members of the Senate could be seen with 3 fingers. Their blood was red and did not cauterize, but that's obviously a retcon to explain why Ponda Baba's severed arm bled after being cut off by a lightsaber. Originally from the water-covered planet Ando, they were members of the Galactic Republic, but during the Clone Wars they seceded and joined the Confederacy of Independent Systems. In Star Wars Legends, the different races of Aqualish were called Aquala, Ualak, and Quara. The 3 subspecies looked down on each other, and the Aquala specifically hated the Quara, blaming them for their race's reputation as ill-tempered thugs. However, the culture of all 3 revolved around aggression. Force sensitivity in the species was rare, but not unheard of. Aqualish could be seen as members of both the Jedi and Sith orders throughout Legends history. Beyond that, we don't know much else about them, at least that I would still consider likely canon, so I'm gonna go into their Legends history to flesh this out a little more. The Aquila, the Quara, and the Ualak were constantly at war with each other as they evolved. The Aqualish Civil War broke out 15,000 years before the Battle of Yavin, but ended in a treaty after a Corellian or Duros ship landed on their planet. The 3 subspecies then united as one and killed the Offworlders. They reverse-engineered the secrets to interstellar travel and brought conflict to the area around Ando until the Republic defeated them. Shortly before the Clone Wars, the Republic straight up demilitarized them because they couldn't stop their cycle of violence, and that brings us up to the quote-unquote present day of the films. Behind the scenes, Ponda Baba's hands in A New Hope sparked the need for multiple subspecies of Aqualish. His hands are fin-like when attached to his body, and then hairy and clawed once cut off. The almost identical character of Teek Sidbam was also created to try to reconcile why Ponda looked different from shot to shot. That's about all we know about the Aqualish species as of right now, so that's it for today. Are there any other species you'd like to see me cover like this? Let me know in the comments, and check out this playlist to see the species I've already done. If you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and consider checking out my Patreon page. As always, thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you.